Hello. Welcome to BitSports AI. Today I'll explain how membership deposits work. To go to the membership deposits section, you can do it in two ways. You can go to Finance and click on Memberships, or you can go to the main part of your dashboard to view all the details. Within the membership deposits, we have several columns that show us different types of information. If we read from left to right, we have date, transaction ID, amount, max ROI, earnings, pending ROI, and finally, status. In the date column, we can see when the deposit was credited. Remember that each deposit, after being credited, requires 48 hours of waiting to be activated and get earnings from the sports arbitrage bot. In the transaction ID column, we can see the ID code of each deposit linked to the membership. This code is unique to each membership deposit and is totally different from any other code for any other transaction within your account. It is also linked to any membership level you achieve from Elite, Pro, and Max. In the amount column, you can see the amount of each deposit individually. In the max ROI column, it shows you the maximum ROI that each deposit will receive for the arbitrage bot individually. In the earnings column, you can view your earnings for each deposit. It is important to note that all active deposits generate ROI, but this ROI will be applied to the oldest deposit you have. From Tuesday to Sunday, the ROI generated by the arbitrage bot will be credited to only one deposit at a time, starting with the oldest active deposit. When that deposit is full, the bot will proceed to the next oldest active deposit. It is normal that you will see several active deposits, but only one will receive earnings, as the ROI of the day is applied to one deposit at a time to achieve the 300% target faster. The pending ROI column tells you how much ROI is still missing for the deposit to be 300% complete. Well, finally we have the status column. Here you can see what is the status of your deposit. You can see the status of pending, activated, or completed. I hope I have helped you with this information. See you soon. Thank you.